Qatala. We are the killers. We fight without sorrow. We wage war without sympathy. This is the only way to live and die a true soldier.
Echo 3-1 to Charlie 2 actual.
Going for actual.
LZ is in sight.
Looks like our boys are right on time, Colonel.
Roger 3-1. Hitman teams are locked and loaded for assault. You are green to go.
Colonel, we may have a problem.
Too late, Laswell. We're live.
Not until I say so. Watcher to 3-1, how copy?
Station Chief Laswell, send traffic.
General Barkov has sent a new shipment of chlorine gas to his depot. But his mercs are prepping to move the chems into Urzikstan via convoy tonight. You're still clear to engage, but live fire on Russian military is prohibited. We cannot have an international incident.
No guarantees Russian army won't respond on this case.
Understood, Alex. Just locate the gas, commandeer your Barkov's truck, and get off the X before the tide turns.
Copy, Watcher. We'll handle it. Let's move.
All Hitman teams push to your 7-1. Roger, tell them.
We need to keep this on a tight loop. Barkov's men are moving the gas tonight.
What are the odds we run into General Barkov? Russian general wouldn't be caught dead out here. Psst, heads up.
Я слышал! За гребнем!
Hearing 2. Looking for us. 2 mercs, no uniforms.
Что-то слышь? Сейчас! Эй! Кто здесь?
Down. We're clear.
Copy. Post up on the ridge and let's get the lay of the land.
Echo 3-1 to Blue Viking 5. Call for fire. Stand by for target confirmation.
Copy 3-1. Viking is standing by.
Let's recce the area and make sure there's no Russian army down there. Vehicle coming in the main gate.
Medium transport truck.
Transport for the gas.
One in the tower. Left side high, not army.
Vehicle's on the move.
Movement in the rail yard.
That's how the gas comes in.
Patrol vehicle. Contractors.
Security. Good targets. No Russian military presence. Call it in, CIA.
Blue Viking 5, this is Echo 3-1. Troops in the open, south gate. You are cleared hot.
Roger 3-1. Target acquired. Weapons free in 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Echo 3-1. Good effect on target. Viking is RTB. Good hunting.
Much obliged, Viking. We'll take it from here.
Heads up. Multiple guns on foot. Hold off. Let him approach.
Найдите их и убейте, иначе генерал убьет нас. Рассредоточиться! Если что увидите, стреляйте!
Smoke him down.
Clear. Force up. Looks like someone was playing with fire.
Serves him right, hawking this chemical shit.
Got enemies inside.
Coming your way, Echo.
Element of surprise is not on our side, boys. Stay frosty. Stay sharp. We're blind on this breach.
Contact! Stand down! Got an empty nest on that second jet! Good suppression! Flank up and take him out!
Force out!
Shit!
We need to
down.
secure the gas before they move it.
Target's moving! Got a target! He's down! There's one to the northwest! Yeah, I see him! Moving! Let's move! One's by that barrier! 10 meters out! Enemy north of our position! Yeah, I see him! Move! Got a target! One's by that barrier! Got a target! They're moving! Shut him down! They're moving between the buildings! Got a visual! Target 10 meters out! Got a visual! Get up behind that gun nest and flood that fucker out! Good evening! Yeah, I see him! Got him!
MG, down!
Nicely done, CIA!
Bravo! We got him! Bring him down! I don't see him! Move out! Clear!
Gas must be inside.
Unless we're too late. Clear! Clear! Clear!
Chems may be inside. Masks up. Let's do this. Fuck!
They killed the power.
Go white light. On me.
It's pitch black in here. You hear that? Whoever killed the powers in here. Shit! You see that?
Find him. He's down.
Got him!
Movement on the catwalk.
All clear. Let's get the power up. Shed some light, find this gas. Light's coming on.
Power's up.
Hey! We got a problem. This guy's a Russian army.
Spetsnaz.
3-1 to Watcher. Barkov's hired guns or Spetsnaz. We got Russian army KIA. We need to bug out now.
Negative. Command wants mission accomplished on this. Not our choice.
Jackpot. PID in the gas.
Solid copy, 3-1. Load up and get back to base.
3-1. Take shotgun. All stations, we are Oscar Mike to the RV. Watch your sectors.
Good work, Alex. Rally at the hook point for egress. Watcher to 3-1, how copy? Alex, to read, over.
I got you, 3-1. Shit. Who the fuck is this?
سيدي تعال بسرعة. ماله روسي مارينز عم يتعب لازم نتحرك فورا. تحرك يلا يلا يلا.
Echo 3-1 to Watcher.
Alex, what happened?
Terrorist attack. Multiple Marines KIA. Gas stolen. We need evac now.
Roger. Tracking multiple Russian forces headed your way. Sit tight. We're pushing to you for fast exfil. Watcher out.
This operation is now compartmentalized.
What the hell does that mean?
Means you no longer have clearance, Colonel.
Those are my Marines. We need a QRF in there right now.
That's not advisable.
And that is not your call.
Colonel Laswell.
General, my men...
Norris, give us a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
We've got a situation. The Kremlin has suspended all deconfliction channels. The Sixth Fleet is pushing into the Black Sea, and chemical weapons are now in the wild. Your fingerprints are all over this, Laswell. Fix it.
General, right now intelligence is our best weapon.
We've tried intelligence. Get me a better weapon.